Hello friends, welcome to this Mind, Body and Soul, which is India's first online law of attraction school. I'm your friend, mentor and guide. I'm your law of attraction coach, Magical Mohit. If you're watching this video, that means you have completed my 7 days free law of attraction workshop. And I'm very happy, and I just want to say thank you so much for going through this magical experience of 7 days. But this is not the end. This is the beginning of your magical life. Yes. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा था कल, सर अब मुझे और सीखना है लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में, मुझे पर्सनल मेंटरिंग चाहिए, प्लीज़ मुझे हेल्प करो टू मैनिफेस्ट माय शॉर्ट टर्म डिज़ायर्स. सो टुडे आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर विथ यू about my personal experience, how I manifested my dream life, and how I am helping people to manifest their dream life. So मैंने मेल में भी पूरा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है मेरा सक्सेस स्टोरी टुडे. इफ़ यू हैवंट रेड माई सक्सेस स्टोरी, प्लीज़ read that in your email. And I just want to say that I'm coming from a very lower middle class family where we had a lot of problems. We had financial problem, I had relationship problem. मैं बहुत ही introvert था, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करता था. I was very shy person and I was very average kid in school. मेरे को कभी भी 60-65 से ज़्यादा मार्क्स नहीं आते थे. People used to call me failure. My parents used to call me lazy. I was criticized a lot in my childhood. मैं बहुत बीमार होता था, मेरा health बहुत ख़राब होता था. And after I got to know about the secret, जब मुझे law of attraction के बारे में पता चला, I was in college. I think I was 19 years, 2009 की बात है. And when I started practicing law of attraction, my life changed completely. I remember that I started reading more books on law of attraction, and I think अभी 10 साल से भी ज़्यादा हो गए. It's been more than 10 years. I think I've read more than 100 books. I've joined many workshops. And I have been practicing, I have been doing research in law of attraction field from more than 10 years. Normally लोग PhD करते हैं 5 साल 6 साल. मैं 10 साल से ज़्यादा रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ इस फील्ड में, law of attraction, the power of subconscious mind, self love, and it has changed my life completely. It has completely changed my life. I attracted my dream job at Apple. कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था मेरे घर में, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, कि मोहित को एप्पल जैसी कंपनी में काम करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा. बट मेरा ड्रीम था दैट आई वांट टू वर्क इन एप्पल, एंड आई मैनिफेस्टेड माय गोल इन 2011, एग्जैक्टली 1 year आफ्टर माय कॉलेज. तो मैं 2 साल फ्रॉम 2011 to 2013 आई वर्कड इन एप्पल इन गुड़गांव, and I was in TCS. I was working in Apple project, and after that I had my dream to write my own book. So in 2012 I have published my first book called Living the Secret. Yes, it is based on the success stories of people like me who have manifested their dream life after following the secret, the law of attraction. वो भी मेरा ड्रीम मैनिफेस्ट हुआ. उसके बाद एक एक करके मेरे जो फाइनेंशियल गोल्स थे, मेरा ड्रीम था कि मेरा खुद की कार हो. At the age of 24 I bought my first car. At the age of 25, I think, yes, at the age of 25 to 26, I started following my passion, that is helping people. I started Mind, Body and Soul, which is India's first online law of attraction school. So I left my job at Apple. I came back to Gujarat, and I started my Mind, Body and Soul school in Vadodara. It is online school जहाँ पे हम हर मंथ वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्ट करते हैं ऑन फेसबुक, लाइक 31 days मैजिकल वर्कशॉप, और हम लोगों को पर्सनल मेंटरिंग देते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं हर एक छोटी से छोटी चीज़ में टू मैनिफेस्ट देयर ड्रीम लाइफ. यस, तो वो गोल भी मैनिफेस्ट हुआ. आई हैड अ ड्रीम टू हैव माई ओन ड्रीम हाउस. So at the age of 27, I bought my own penthouse here, which is one of the best penthouses in Vadodara. I manifested that dream. I had a dream. I love traveling, I love traveling a lot. So when I was young, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं होते थे, because I am coming from a very lower middle class family. तो बचपन में कभी कुछ ट्रैवल ही नहीं कर पाए. So I always dream that जब मैं रिच हो जाऊँगा, जब मैं when I will become very successful, happy, rich person, I will travel around the world. And from 2015 onwards, I feel that every month on an average, पूरे साल में मैं 10 से 12 trips करता था. I used to travel almost every single month. I have been to more than 20 different states of India. I have been to more than 4 countries around the world, and the list is on. Still lot of places to cover. So yes, I am living that dream life. I also attracted my life partner. मेरा एक dream था that I want to get married on the beaches of Goa. So in 2019, I got married on 14th Feb on the beach of Goa, and that was again a dream come true. And yeah, it's been a magical journey. Law of attraction has completely changed my life. And one of the best things about law of attraction is that now from last 5 to 6 years, I'm helping people to learn law of attraction. I'm conducting 31 days magical workshop every single month, helping people to manifest their dreams, helping people to overcome from their negative situations. हर रोज़ मुझे 2 से 3 स्टूडेंट्स के मैसेज आते हैं, सर आज मैंने ये मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया, सर आज मैंने वो मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया, थैंक यू सर, आपने मेरी लाइफ चेंज कर दी, थैंक यू सो मच, आपके 31 डेज मैजिक वर्कशॉप ने मेरी पूरी लाइफ कंप्लीटली चेंज कर दी. और ये चीज़ से जो मुझे खुशी मिलती है, द हैप्पीनेस दैट आई गेट listening to the success of my students is something that makes me wake up every day in the morning and follow my passion. I feel that I am one of the most happiest and one of the most positive people in the world because of the success of my students. And I just want to say that your magical life has just begun. This 7 days law of attraction workshop is the very basic workshop which I am conducting for free to help people all across the world. But this is just the beginning. The next level, the second level, is 31 days magical journey. Yes, the 31 days law of attraction workshop, which I conduct every single month. It starts from 1st of month. Every day you need to give 30 to 45 minutes. In this workshop, I will teach you everything about law of attraction. I will make you write your desire list on day 1. एंड आई विल पर्सनली गिव यू डेली प्रैक्टिसेस. सो हम लोग एक फेसबुक ग्रुप क्रिएट करते हैं, उसमें पूरा बैच होता है, सबको ऐड करते हैं जो भी वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन करते हैं. डेली मॉर्निंग में मैं 5 o'clock अपना वीडियो पोस्ट करता हूँ. डेली सब लोग अपना प्रैक्टिस करके मुझे दिखाते हैं, ग्रुप में पोस्ट करते हैं. एंड डेली मैं उनसे व्हाट्सएप पे बातें करता हूँ. आई गिव पर्सनल मेंटरिंग टू ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स ऑन डेली बेसिस. मैं आपके प्रॉब्लम्स को समझता हूँ, मैं आपके डिज़ायर्स को समझता हूँ, एंड आई गिव पर्सनल मेंटरिंग टू यू फॉर 31 days. यस, एंड दिस इज लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग वर्कशॉप. दिस इज द बेस्ट law of attraction workshop in the world. If you really want to change your life, if you really want to master law of attraction, if you want to change your life completely, if you want to manifest your desires in life, if you want to overcome from your problems, if you want to become one of the most happiest and one of the most positive people in the world, this is the best workshop for you. 31 days mind power magic workshop, 31 days magical journey. You will master law of attraction. You will master your life in 31 days. So email me today for more details. I will share you all the details about this workshop. And I have a dream, I have a vision to live in a world where everyone is happy, positive, and living their dream life. So my main goal is to make you happy, positive, and successful. If you want to become happy, positive, and successful, message me today for the details and I will email you back with 31 days magic workshop details. Let's have fun. Let's make your life magical now. Thank you so much for joining this 7 days free workshop. If you like the workshop, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and also tell your friends and family members to join this 7 days free workshop as well. All the best, guys. Live your dream life. Thank you so much.